If you're someone who doesn't like sticking earbuds inside your ears, or you need to hear what's going on around you while you're listening to something, this is one you'll want to check out. And there's one thing about the fit here on these earbuds that actually surprised me, and I'll get to that in a minute. So let's go over the Raycon Essential Open Ear Earbuds. I'm gonna go over the key features, show you how these actually work, and then talk about who these are for, all to help you make a better informed buying decision for your earbuds. So the Raycon Essential Open Ear Earbuds are wireless Bluetooth open ear earbuds. They come with a compact charging case and they're sweat and water resistant. So let's have a look at what you get in the box. Okay, so let's do an unboxing here. Okay, we got the instructions here. And we have the charging case. Feels really premium. Not too big of a case. The light on front. We have the USB-C on the back, the charging port. This is where we're gonna add a little lanyard. Those look nice. Just take them out, have a closer look at them. So these earbuds do feel premium, very stretchy. Twisting it. So you can easily fit this around your ear. Fit in the case really easily. Magnetic, so it locks into place really quickly. And then we just have our lanyard, cool looking lanyard, and then our USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Okay, so that is everything that is included in the box. Okay, so now let's go over some of the features. So the big thing with these is the open ear design. So instead of plugging into your ear canal like traditional earbuds, these sit right on top of your ear. And what that means is you can, hear your music or your podcast and still be completely aware of what's going on around you. Traffic, people talking to you, whatever it is. So this is really nice if you're someone who runs outdoors or walks to work, because you're not blocking out the world around you. I feel a lot more free wearing these compared to having traditional earbuds in, which is really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these in my ear so you can see how to do that. So we got the right ear. I'm gonna start here and then just pull down. It's a nice snug fit. Okay, and then the left ear. Really quick, easy to put on. And these are not going anywhere. Really snug fit. So again, for walking, for running, these are gonna stay in, and you're not gonna have any issues with them coming out. And of course we have the traditional, AirPods, which are great. You just put them in, put this one in. And most earbuds, when they do have noise canceling, they of course have, the transparency mode, but still can be hard to hear, as well as just the fit. The fit, you can just be a little irritating, not just with AirPods, any type of earbud that you put in your ear, just having this kind of open ear design, it feels more lightweight. It feels less intrusive. You're not, jamming something into your ear. And it just really makes a big difference, especially for longer wearing. So if you're wearing these for hours on end, these are absolutely gonna be more comfortable, than AirPods. Okay, and these are incredibly lightweight. They're so light that you just, really forget about wearing them. Like I feel like nothing is in my hand right now. It's just, even though it has this kind of, almost like weight right here, and in this, earpiece looks kind of big, it's incredibly lightweight and it's just comfortable. And the comfort hook, as you saw, it just wraps really easily around your ear, and it can fit many different ear shapes because it's very flexible. One thing I do want to mention, if you wear glasses, these work perfectly fine. The hook sits in a different spot than your glasses frames, so there's no interference at all. That was something that I was a little worried about, but it's not an issue at all. So here you can see I put on one of my gunner glasses, and you can see that it does not interfere at all. Still the same secure fit, not an issue. Okay, and then the battery life. Raycon says 36 hours total with the case. So in terms of actual earbud use, you're getting around 7 to 8 hours per charge on the earbuds themselves. And that's enough to get you through a full workday or a couple of long runs without needing to pop them back in the case. And when they do need a charge, you just drop them in the case and you're good to go. And really easy with the magnets on this. And that 36-hour total means you can go days without plugging this case in, which is really nice if you're someone who doesn't want to think about charging all the time, which is of course all of us. And these run on Bluetooth 6.0. And what that means for you is a faster, more stable connection with your phone or whatever device you're using. Pairing was really easy. You just open the case near your phone and it connects right away. And I had no issues with the phone calls either. The other person could hear me clearly, which is always a good sign, especially with earbuds. You can see the Raycon Essential Open earbuds here in my Bluetooth settings. Just open up the case and then click on the Raycon Essential Open earbuds and we are connected. Okay, and then in terms of sound, the audio quality is really good. It's good stereo separation and you can hear things panning from ear to ear, which is really nice. And the bass is decent for earbuds, especially open ear earbuds. So it's important to note if you are an audiophile and you are looking for the highest quality sound from earbuds, well, one, you're not going to get the highest quality sound from earbuds. You want to get over-the-ear headphones. There are other earbuds on the market that do sound better. Those, of course, come at a higher price point. But overall, if you're getting these earbuds, it's not because you're looking for the highest quality audio. You're looking for, not having the in-ear hassle, looking for a good battery life, and you're looking for them to really stay put and just sound good overall. And in general, open ear earbuds aren't going to sound as good as in-ear earbuds because you're getting the full sound going into your ear canal as opposed to having more of the sound from the outside world coming in. So that just dilutes the quality a little bit because you're mixing in more of the outside noise. So while the audio on these I really enjoy, don't expect, some next level sound with these. Okay, so the controls on these are touch-based. You tap the right earbud to pause, and you tap the left earbud to skip to the next song. So really simple as far as the different gestures that you have on these earbuds. Now, one thing to keep in mind here is the touch controls are pretty sensitive. There's, no physical button. It's the tap zone on the earbud right here, that whole tap zone. So if you have longer hair, you might accidentally trigger the controls when you brush your hair back. It's not a deal breaker by any means, but it does take a little getting used to. Just keep that in mind. Personally, I like them a little more sensitive, but I also don't have really long hair. So just, again, keep that in mind. Okay, so the pros of these earbuds. What I really like about them is the comfort. You can, really wear these all day. The battery life at 7 to 8 hours per charge is really solid. I like that they're sensitive with the touch controls, and the Bluetooth 6.0 connection has been really solid. So overall, really a lot to like here. And the cons, so personally, again, for me, it could be a con, having the buttons sensitive, depending on, again, the length of your hair, and depending on how much you like having sensitive touch gestures on your earbuds. So it's really just personal preference there. And the sound quality, as mentioned, these aren't gonna be as good as in-ear earbuds or over-the-ear earbuds. But again, if you're looking to buy these, it's not for having the highest quality sound. You just want good sound that will work well for your workouts, for your walks, and wherever you're using these. Okay, so who are these for? So if you're a runner or someone who exercises outdoors and you need to hear traffic, other people, and your surroundings, these are perfect for that. The open ear design lets you stay aware while enjoying your music, which is really important for safety. If you're someone who can't stand traditional earbuds, maybe they hurt your ears, maybe they just don't fit right, or maybe you just don't like having something stuck in your ear canal all day, these really are a great alternative. They sit on top of your ear, so there's no pressure inside the ear at all. If you wear glasses, these work perfectly without getting in the way, which is really nice. And if you spend a lot of time on calls, whether it's team meetings, or phone calls, these handle that really well, clear audio both ways, and you can still hear if someone walks up to you. Now, if you're someone who wants the absolute best audio quality and heavy bass for serious music listening, you might want to look at over-the-ear headphones instead. These are more about convenience, comfort, and situational awareness than audiophile level sound. So in my opinion, the Raycon Essential Open Ear earbuds are definitely worth checking out. They're really comfortable, the battery life is solid, and the open ear design just makes sense for a lot of everyday situations. If you're looking for a pair of earbuds that you can wear all day without thinking about them, these are a really nice option to consider.